Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the page. Right-click the visible number and choose Inspect, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Once the DevTools opens, the Elements panel will highlight the matching HTML node. That's the exact text you'll edit. Make sure you expand nearby parent tags if you don't immediately see the text node. The number may be inside a span, div, or nested element. This gives you direct access to the displayed content for quick, local edits used for testing or mockups. Once you've found the node, double-click the displayed text or the value inside quotes to edit it directly. Type the new number, include decimals, percent signs, or currency symbols exactly how you want them to appear. Browsers render whatever string is there. After pressing enter, the page updates instantly, so you can verify layout and formatting. If the value is generated dynamically, you may also edit a data attribute or nearby script node to observe downstream effects during your local testing. To finalize your mockup, copy the edited HTML or use DevTools overrides, enable in sources, and press Ctrl plus S to persist locally. Once done, if the number reverts, make sure you aren't looking at a JavaScript rendered value. Scripts can rewrite DOM nodes on interval or event. Pause or modify the script in the Sources tab to stop automatic updates. Also, remember these edits affect only your browser session. Refreshing returns the original site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.